This is Terro and killers. The liquid and killer QR common household items and contain borax. In keep our ritual and cousin, we put the drop in here and place in the corner. I did use this before. Yeah, let's stop with them. No, I mean I used this back then. Last how is but if you don't, you have seen that here. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. It's a clear liquid. So we just tear this one out. And this one, this. Yeah. And now I think I need to remove the shield too. Put the cap on. So they have a circle here. They say Blade Terro here. So I have put like this. Here. I'll be put in the corner of somewhere. That's for and killer. I put it back. And we use more. And killer Terro